Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Dark spots, blemishes on the skin, especially on the face and the neck and décolleté area. In this video, I'm going to share with you a remedy you can use, and in no time, within 7 days, you're going to see great improvement to the dark spots. You continue to use this remedy, and before you know it, your skin is going to be free, just even skin tone. So if you're looking to clear your dark spot fast, effectively, with natural ingredients, this video is for you, so continue watching. Now, to make this recipe, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a blender. You're also going to need a strainer and a grater. Our first ingredient is potato, and potato is known to help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. Our second ingredient is banana, and banana is another wonderful ingredient for lightening and brightening the skin, and also for softening and smoothing the skin. I'm also going to be using some lemon in this recipe, and lemon is loaded with a lot of antioxidants such as vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. Our final ingredient is aloe vera gel, and this also is known to soften the skin, clear the spots of hyperpigmentation while leaving your skin soft and supple. And here we have an optional ingredient, which is brown sugar. Brown sugar is going to be used in this recipe to exfoliate the skin, getting rid of the dead skin cells, also cleaning that pores out, all the grease and dirt from your skin. So the first ingredient I'm going to prepare is our aloe gel, and I'm using about 2 ounces. I'm only going to be using the gel, so I've got to extract the gel. Extracting the gel is pretty easy. Just cut the 2 sides. And when you're searching for aloe, make sure to get a fresh leaf. And here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. Next, we're going to blend our aloe. Do not add any water to this. And here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. Moving on to our banana, and I'm going to use a half of a medium banana. So we're just going to peel. I'm also going to use a portion of the inner peel, just scrape. I'm using the inner peel because this part of the banana have to get rid of the spots and blemishes, while this part of the banana have to smooth, soften, and hydrate the skin. Do not add any water. And here we have our blended banana and banana peel. So moving on to preparing the potato, I'm going to wash and peel the potato. Now after peeling, I'm going to chop the potato for blending. And this is a medium potato, also known as Irish potato. Do not use sweet potato. Do not add any water to this. The potato will produce its own liquid. And here we have our blended potato. So let's take a look at our ingredient. We have potato, banana, aloe vera gel, and we have some lemon, and our optional ingredient, which is brown sugar. So now we're going to put this together. Now there's 2 ways of using this. You can choose to use it as a facial scrub, or you can choose to use it as a facial wash. First, we're going to make the facial wash, and then I'm going to show you how to turn that into a facial scrub. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. For our banana, 2 tablespoons. And for our potato, I'm using 3 tablespoons of the blended potato. Moving on to the brightening agent, which is the lemon. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And now I'm going to blend this together. And here you have it. If you're going to use this as a facial scrub, what you're going to do, you're going to take your brown sugar. You can also use some blended rice. And I'm using about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Take your brightening facial wash. 3 tablespoons of the mix. Blend it in. And here we have our brown sugar, banana, potato facial scrub. Okay? So we have the 2. You can also choose to use this first and move on to the wash, or use the brown sugar facial scrub by itself. Now guys, let me go on the other side and show you how to use these wonderful facials for best result. Now here we have the facial scrub. If you're using the facial scrub, use the facial scrub before you use the facial wash. You can use the facial scrub alone by itself on any given day, and you can also use the facial wash alone by itself. However, for the facial wash, 2 to 3 times a week, it's also good to use every day if you choose. Alright? Now to exfoliate the skin, I suggest you wash your skin with your regular cleanser before, and then you exfoliate. So I'm going to use my hands to exfoliate, so just dig in. Now when it comes on to the brown sugar, do not add the brown sugar until you're ready to use the facial scrub. So just dig in and exfoliate the skin in circular motion. Let me put this aside so I could get both hands to use. So just exfoliate the skin a minute or so. It's okay to go under the eyes, your forehead, don't forget to go down on the neck and décolleté. Now after exfoliating, you want to rinse off room temperature water, pat dry, and apply your favorite skincare products. Okay? And this guys feel really, really good on my skin. Take a look. Soft, supple. Look how clean my skin is looking just from using this exfoliator. This is actually so good. Like really, really great. I feel like I want to exfoliate all day. However, 2 to 3 minutes is just fine. Now guys, the fact that this is so good, don't be afraid to use this to exfoliate your hands. Ooh. So now I'm going to rinse off. The facial wash, and as I mentioned before, if you're going to use it both ways, then you want to use the exfoliator before. So you exfoliate your skin, and after exfoliating your skin, then you can use the facial wash. To use the facial wash, you're going to apply with a cotton cloth or a cotton pad. You can also use your hands to apply. I like to use a cotton pad. So you just want to dip in, and you're going to be generous with this. You're going to use it like a soap, as I'm showing here, and it's going to feel real good on the skin. So just wash your face with it all over. As a matter of fact, you can use this on your entire body. You want to wash your face for about 2 minutes. Focus on areas that you have dark spots and blemishes. Circular motion is best. It's great for the lips also. Now, after washing, you want to rinse this with some warm water. Now guys, if you're looking to get the best benefit from this facial wash, you can let it sit on the skin for about 5 minutes. Just leave it on 5 minutes and then you're going to rinse this off with some room temperature water. So I'm going to rinse this off and I will be back with the result. Now I'm back and I'm just going to wake the skin up a bit. Now continue with your favorite facial toner, your favorite serum, and your favorite moisturizer. When applying your moisturizer to your skin, just do a little facial massage to further help to lift and firm that skin, okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.